I'm at Chinwan Plaza. I'm looking for a new camera. I'm really very confused. Sony A7C should I buy or should I go with the Canon M6 Mark II or even the new Fujifilm XE4? I'm really very much confused to be honest with you. But don't worry, I'm going to find the best camera. Finally, I think so I'm going to find the best camera. They only have like, let me ask about Canon Mark 6. Are you ready of the? Give Canon M6 Mark II.
6 Mark II.
No? So,
咩 Mark II
Canon M6 Mark II.
G7X Mark II?
No, Canon M6 M-Log Mark II.
Oh, and we have 大冇貨
Not now.
no stock.
How much it is? So I think so they have, but maybe I will place the order, come back later. So that is the ZV-1 which I bought. I think so I need to get a new one to be honest with you. Yeah, that is my ZV-1. Also, do you have the lens for the M6 Mark II?
Yeah, 15 and 45
Okay. Do you have any another lens?
No.
No, I want to buy some.
6,360 咯.
Do you have the EVF?
E-
EVF.
Oh yeah, this one have UES.
Have EVF?
This one you say you talking this one
Yeah.
Oh no, we don't sell the
You don't
UES.
sell that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me think.
Okay.
Rabia, they don't have the EVF in my M6. So they say they do not have the EVF. Let me look at the Sun Hing price. So they have the M6.
This one?
Yes. Okay. Do you have the EVF? I want to buy EVF also. EVF.
No, we don't have.
Don't have.
No stock.
Okay. So how much it is? How much? 6,380. So come with any any extra free gift?
Yeah, free gift the 64 memory.
Okay.
Yeah, and the extra battery.
Extra battery.
Yeah.
Okay. Any lens you sell? Any more lens?
Which one do you want?
Which one you have in stock?
Yeah.
How much?
About the 2,000 to 3,000 more.
Okay. How much is the 11 to 22?
1122.
Yes.
Oh, 2,480.
2,480.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the lens prices. So if can I order the EVF right now? I come back pick up later. I need the EVF also.
We don't have. The
Not
EVF,
have.
Yeah. Maybe you can buy the M50.
No, I like this one because last time I tried, I like the 4K quality is very good.
You can buy from the Canon.
Canon.
Canon 图soft. Yeah, the EVF.
Yes. So I'm testing the Canon 90D. I was looking to get the M6, but I can't find the EVF anywhere. This one is a little bit heavy, and this is a DSLR. I hope someone will like it. 4K without any. "4K, the regular mode without the crop. How good is the video quality? How good is the video quality? I'm holding the camera in my hand. This is without any. Yes. So I'm testing the Canon 90D. I was looking to get the M6, but I can't find the EVF anywhere. This one is a little bit heavy, and this is a DSLR. I hope so I'm going to like it. 4K. 4K without any IS. This is the IS enable, the standard IS in the regular mode. How good is the video quality? I'm hand holding and trying to work. How good is the video quality in the regular mode? This is the regular video. "4K standard stabilization, the regular mode. How good is the video quality? How is the 135 millimeter, 85 millimeter, 50 millimeter, 24 millimeter, 18 millimeter. Sorry. "4K cropping mode." Right now we are at f5.6. I cannot figure out how to change the aperture, to be honest with you. f5.6 aperture, 4K cropping mode. Digital IS is disabled. I'm hand holding the camera. How good is the video quality in f5.6 4K? 4K crop mode, enhanced stabilization at 80 millimeter. I know it's going to crop a lot. 4K crop mode, 80 millimeter. I know it's going to crop a lot. This is the 4K cropping mode. How good is the image quality? 4K cropping mode. "4K cropping mode, 4K standard stabilization crop mode." You need to be adjust how good is the video quality and how good is zooming. Right now 135 millimeter. This is the crop mode. How good is the video quality in the crop mode? How bad is the rolling shutter? 4K enhanced stabilization. Let me just walk. So here is the food. So the cameraman can come close and then show the food. This is the rasmalai. So can you come close and show it? So this is I'm going to have right now. This is a sweet dish, and this is the honey barbecue chicken wings. I think this is somewhat Korean style, and this one is your regular salad. And this rice, can you show the rice from closer? So these are the rice, chicken and potato rice, and I think chicken tikka. So I'm going to enjoy a lot. And can you show that curry dish, that savory dish also? So this is some kind of stew made from chicken. Chicken korma. I think so. I'm going to like this kind of chicken stew. I think this one is a Pakistani chicken stew. This whole cuisine is Pakistani cuisine. And then can you show the yogurt? This one is called raita. So after praying the Eid prayer, the best thing you can do is have a breakfast. Yes, have a breakfast. Especially in China, most of the breakfast is quite bad because I'm a Muslim. As you know that the breakfast is not that good. Most of the breakfast is offered is non-kosher or often non-kosher, non-halal. Mostly they use pork. Even if you wanna have a fast food, American fast food, KFC, McDonald's, you have to be cautious about what ingredient they are going to use. So eating in China is a hazard, and there are very few restaurants, especially in Hong Kong, which is the city of China. There's very few restaurants which offer some kind of kosher or halal. So whenever I feel hungry that I need some kind of chicken curry, some kind of meat, I prefer to come to my mother home. So yeah, this is the food. I am very hungry right now. Right now it's 9:30 a.m. I offer at the Maulana Qari Tayyib, and I really love the son of the Maulana Qari Tayyib. He always give me a lot of respect. And yeah, whenever you wanna come to China, especially in Hong Kong, make sure to visit the Maulana Qari Tayyib Khatme Nabuwat. Even the last prayer, Eid prayer, I pray there. So let me have my meal. This thing to keep waiting in front of food is much better. You start consuming. Let me consume the food.